Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel, Stunning Handwork Idea. Stunning Handwork Idea is a very beautiful channel of cross stitch hand embroidery. Today we brought to you very beautiful countable birds, hand embroidery designs and patterns. Very beautiful ideas. Today's video is a very attractive and gorgeous video. Keep watching this beautiful video and enjoy. Watch complete video and get beautiful idea from this video, because every pattern is a very beautiful pattern and colorful idea. If you are watching first time my channel Stunning Handwork Idea, you haven't subscribed this channel yet, then subscribe this channel, because we bring every day for you latest ideas and impressive tutorial. Tutorial is also available on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. If you like handworking, then you must subscribe this beautiful channel, which name is Stunning Handwork Idea. Video is able to like and share. Don't forget to like and share this beautiful video. If you like any pattern in this video and you want to make yourself beautiful cross stitch hand embroidery, then take a screenshot of your favorite clip. After taking a screenshot, print out your screenshot. After printing out pattern in your hand, you can make easily your favorite design. I hope this idea you like very much, and comment us about this idea and about this video which you are watching this time on Stunning Handwork Idea channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Watch complete video and get beautiful idea from this video. And thanks a lot for your beautiful comment. Comment us about this video. How is this video for you? And I pray for you from the bottom of my heart. Be happy forever. Take care of yourself and your family. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.